Hey Bristol Bears! Today we're going to be talking about verse and refrain. Verse and refrain is a type of form. Form is how music is organized. So if a song is organized into this form, into verse and refrain, there's going to be a couple of things that is going on. The first thing is it's going to have verses. So a verse is the same music but different words each time. So if the melody stays the same but the words change, that is a verse. The second part of this song is the refrain. This is also known as a chorus. And the refrain is going to have the same music and the same words every time. Verse and refrain is very popular in popular music, rock, hip hop, country, all the things. And the refrain is going to be the part that you usually learn first because it is the part that you hear the most. By the time you've heard the song 3 or 4 times, you've heard that refrain way more than just 3 or 4 times. The verses normally take us a little bit longer to learn because they're different. All the words are different, but the refrain is the part that you learn first. As you are watching your videos today, I want you to think, is this in a verse and refrain form? If it is, how do I know? If it is not, how do I know it is not a verse and refrain? Also, it is fun to think about, can you take your favorite song and think, is there a verse and is there a refrain, and how do I know? Because it's very likely that your favorite song will have a verse and a refrain. Okay, guys, have a lot of fun today. Bye.